Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today, just running you through a non-start fault on this 2011 Fiat 500 and it's a 1 litre petrol engine one. Just before we get into the video, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, just click on the red subscribe button below to make sure you don't miss out on any future content. I'll just show you what it was doing. The fault's fixed at the minute, but basically if you was turning the ignition on, it was all lighting up nicely, but when you went to crank it, there was no click or anything, it just wasn't doing anything at all. And when plugging it in with a diagnostic machine, we had a couple of fault codes in there. We had P0520, which is an oil pressure fault, and P0621. It just says generator lamp terminal. Sort of generally a fault relating to the starting circuit, that's all. So I'll just show you what we found the fault to be and how to fix it. So basically the fault's relating to a broken earth wire on it. Now this is the main earth coming to the battery here, just on these, it's just on one of these push terminals like that. So but the best way to test it, really quick test just to prove whether this is the fault or not, if you just get your jump leads, just use one of your leads and you can just clamp it onto the earth terminal there of the battery, and then you just want to clamp it to an earth on the engine, decent bit of metal on the engine that you can get to it. As soon as you put that on there, I tried it with this one, it just struck straight up. Well, I'll just put it up in the air quick, just show you where the earth lead's located and where they normally break. So now we've got the vehicle up in there, I'll just show you where the lead's located. Obviously the main lead off the battery is the sort of battery to body earth lead. The one that's broken is the gearbox to body. And we've just put a new lead in, just basically from the gearbox to the earth point there. The old lead, this is the old lead just there. If you just look at the wire, you just see how badly rotten that is. And that, I've just left that on just to show you. But basically that just runs up and bolts up on top of the gearbox. The fitting for that's just a little bit awkward to get to. So we've just put this new lead on there, just clean this area up. That was just like there was just nothing on that fitting there, so it's perfectly okay to use that. And the old fitting that was on the body was this section of it there, which was just again on that mounting point there. So as you can see, quite a straightforward fix. If you check out links in the description below, I'll put links to one of these leads where you can get them from. Just probably put an eBay link to it. So but yeah, hope the video helps someone in the same situation. If you liked it, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.